Welcome to Chapter 5. In this chapter we'll be covering hyperlinks and lists. This first video is the rules of the hyperlink. First off, what is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a clickable or tappable area on a web page that takes you to other web pages, download files, and perform actions such as sharing, emailing, calling, or viewing other items on the web. If you are to use a hyperlink from a text-based action, you are going to have two basic actions. Your basic hyperlink consists of an action, basically what happens when the link is clicked, and a link text, or what the text should read. For a good example, let's take a look on the right side where you see the footer of the AB Tech website, and let's click on Campus Safety. That will take you to the URL listed in the bottom. As you can see, that's abtech.edu/content/administrative-services/campus police and security/police/security overview. When you click on that, that will take you to the action. Again, that is what happens when the link is clicked. From that, we also have the link text, which is the campus safety. This is what is or should be read when the link is displayed. There are other ways to display link text and other items to be displayed other than text. We'll get to that in just a minute. A few hyperlink rules. Don't use click here. Back in the 1990s, click here was a very overused phrase on the web, and everything had click here attached to it. Nowadays, click here is sort of old school and not really a good practice to use, because for most people, when they see click here, they don't know where it'll go or what will happen to it. Most people know how to click. So instead of saying click here, you can use action words such as download, get, contact us, or send mail. Because basically, as a bad practice, you shouldn't use the words click here. To give you a good example, on the left we have a little snippet of an article, and on the bottom it says click here. But where does that go? It's very hard to find out. Instead, on the right we have continue reading. Now that gives you a better idea about where this will go and what happens when you click on it. And that's pretty much the end of the first part of Chapter 5. In the next section, we'll be covering exactly what contributes to a hyperlink and how to set it up. So if you have any questions, please send me an email or hit me up on Twitter. I'll get back to you the best way I know how.